Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chicken Alfredo using a simple jar sauce method. This easy recipe is perfect for a quick weeknight meal, taking less than 30 minutes from start to finish. First, gather all your ingredients. 1 pound of your favorite pasta, 2 boneless chicken breasts, 1 jar of Alfredo sauce, and a half cup of milk. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of olive oil plus salt and pepper to taste. Now let's get cooking. Start by boiling 1 pound of pasta in salted water until it's perfectly al dente, which usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes. While your pasta is cooking, slice your 2 chicken breasts into bite-sized 1-inch pieces. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add the chicken and sauté it for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until it's fully cooked through and golden brown. Once your pasta is cooked, drain it well and set it aside for a moment. Now, let's create that creamy sauce. To the skillet with your cooked chicken, pour in the entire jar of Alfredo sauce. Then, add about a half cup of milk to thin the sauce slightly and make it even richer. Stir everything together and let it simmer gently for 3 to 5 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Add your drained pasta directly into the skillet with the simmering chicken and Alfredo sauce. Gently toss everything until the pasta is completely coated in that luscious, creamy sauce. Serve your homemade chicken Alfredo immediately, perhaps with a sprinkle of fresh parsley or grated Parmesan cheese for an extra touch. Enjoy this incredibly easy and satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.